This fest hasn't been just an event, but the celebration of creativity, curiosity, innovations, and cultural display along the discipline, moral and social and ethic value learning. We have gathered here to celebrate the unique blend of events like science exhibition, art and craft display, food festival, and cultural programs, each one showcasing the diverse talent of our youth students. No doubt, the science exhibitions helps us to generate the capacity of innovation within our youth students and inspire them to experiment, invent, and explore their creativity. Besides, these young minds shape the future of the nation, province, as well as their own municipalities and villages through their own ideas, creations. Moreover, creativity, critical thinking, and imaginations with constructive new ideas of the next generation can be reflected through this sort of exhibition. The demonstration of art and craft may express the emotion and imaginations of the students through designs, colors, shapes, and craft. The confidence of the students can be sourced in the piece of art they have drawn. In addition, we can observe skill, patience, and devotion and dedication of the students in their art and craft. This art and craft may nurture sense and creativity of our next generation in their art and craft. As far as food festival is concerned, it may introduce us with the richness of our tastes, teamwork, and hospitality. Besides, it makes us meet with the diverseness of recipes of local, national, and continental types, and teach the students to work with passion, coordination, and discovers creativity in cooking and explore the provincial foods and products with hospitality. Culture is our identity, unity, and even the heritage of our country. Not only of the country, it is even the heritage of our society and community. Our folklores play a vital role. You saw the Tappa dance there. Surkhet is the place where Tappa is danced, and is the culture of Magar Kham tribe of our country. Our diversity can be observed in within the colors of our diverseness. Nepal in itself is diverse. We, the people of Doteli society, live in this very part of the nation. Moreover, the Tharus belonging to various clans, especially we can see inside the clans of Rana Tharus, where there are so many Kuris. Moreover, we can find the migrant Tharus from Dang and Deoghari, who have also made their own cultural heritage here in this very society. So it can create unity amongst diversity. Thus the beauty of it should be nurtured and displayed to find and search our identity as well as unity amongst diversity. Dear students, the celebration of this sort of fest has become a milestone in the journey of learning. You need to work hard, try your level best to present your caliber and capacity in front of the society. Hence, remember that you shouldn't just be bookish. As I always say, that books can give you answers, nor the knowledge. So, you should try to hunt your talent. You should try to hunt your talent within yourself to get through your life with your own innovative ideas. For it, discover, develop, dream, and design your motto of life. Then only you may succeed in hunting your talent and become a responsible, confident, and skillful human. You need to believe your abilities. So stay humble and curious, pushing your limits away continuously to strive for excellence. I can't remember extending my heartfelt appreciation to the school management, the principal, the staffs, and the organization organizing such a vibrant event whose guidance helped to shape the next generation leaders of different fields in our country and province. Let me appreciate the guardians for their constant support to encourage their children to take part and join such an event. And finally, my best wishes and regards to the students who with their all hooks and nooks participate and display their creativity in this diverse and grand event. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Little Buddha Academy